Okay, everyone, good to see you. How are you today? I hope you in a good condition and always healthy. Today, I would like to present about my proposal, and the title is Students' Experience Toward Implementation of TikTok in Learning English Vocabulary. But before that, let me introduce myself first. My name is Komang Ari Sancaya Arta, and you can call me Ari. And my student ID number is 020071. And let's move to the material. The first is the table of content. In the table of content, there are three chapters. The first chapter is about topic, topic, problems, and the gap. And chapters 2 is about theories. And the last chapter is about design, place, and instrument about my proposal. Okay. Uh, so the I will deliver about the topic uh, of my proposal. Nowadays, TikTok can be an effective supplement to traditional language learning methods, providing learners with a fun and engaging way to develop their language skills. However, further research is needed to determine the full extent of TikTok's potential as a language learning tool. That's why this proposal will determine students' experience toward implementation of TikTok in learning English vocabulary in SMP Saraswati. And the second in the chapter 2 is the problem. So the problem is referring to the result of preliminary research, the teachers and the student at SMP Saraswati faced various challenges which impeded the process English class such as lack of mastery technology and students often feel boring because of monotone learning. That's why the use of TikTok and will be solution to make the learning as interactive as possible, especially in learning English vocabularies. And then the gap. According to preliminary research in SMP Saraswati, the implementation of the use of TikTok show a discrepancy is what being expected. Based on the primary research, it was found that the student faced difficulties in learning English before using TikTok. That is why the researchers interested to the research at SMP Saraswati. Based on the phenomenon found, the researchers were interested to conducted this study with the topic students' experience toward implementation of TikTok in English vocabulary. Okay, we'll move to the chapters 2 is the theories from the expert. So the first theory is uh, Dangi GK 2015 Learning and Experience, a step model, the online journal of New Horizons in Education. The second is Inning AAB 2021, Expanding ESL Students Vocabulary Through TikTok Videos. The third is Pratiwi AE, Ivaria, NN, and Sophia RS 2021, utilizing TikTok application as media for learning English pronunciation. Proceedings International Conference on Education of Surya Kancana. And the last is Syah RG Nurjana S. Mayu VP 2020 TQ or TikTok app educational video based on the character education of Newton's laws concept refer to learning for Z generation. Okay, the last chapters is about design, place, and instrument. So the first is design of the study. This study will use the descriptive qualitative design that aim to describe the phenomena based on actual situation in the object of study. And the second is place. Uh, the place is SMP Saraswati Sririt. And the reason I chose SMP Saraswati Sririt as a place for my data collection was because I had participated in the campus teaching program, and SMP Saraswati Sririt was my placement school at the time. And I will choose the second grade because the number of students is only 8 people. Of course, because the small number will speed up my data collection process. And the last is instrument. Uh, in this case, I use interview guide and observation checklist. Okay, I think that's all about my presentation. Sorry for the mistake and have a good day. Thank you.